If you're a special needs mom or family caregiver who wants to build flexible income from home, but your time, energy, and budget are limited, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Isabel, founder of Your Techie Isabel and Home Biz Builders. You're seeing Techie Isabel, my AI avatar on screen. I use her to help me share clear tutorials while I care for my special needs teenage daughter and support my members inside Home Biz Builders. I'm a micro-budget business mentor, and I help special needs moms and family caregivers turn their skills, knowledge, and life experience into digital products and virtual services that fit around caregiving life. On this channel, I share simple, step-by-step videos about choosing what to sell, creating digital products with Canva, building pages and sales funnels with System.io, setting up emails, and using free or affordable tools to make your business easier to manage. As a full-time caregiver, I understand that some days you may have an hour to work, while other days you may have no time at all. That is why everything I teach is built around small steps, simple systems, and a micro-budget. You do not need advanced tech skills, a large audience, or a perfect schedule to begin. Subscribe to Your Techie Isabel and choose the video that matches your next step. If you would like a clear roadmap, ongoing support, and a community where you can ask questions as you build, I would love to welcome you inside Home Biz Builders. You can join free for 7 days. After your free access ends, it is just $9 a month to continue. Click the link in the description to start your 7 days of free access today. I'll help you build flexible income from home, one clear step at a time.